Or simply click this to take you to the back end of your website, and then go to Products. On the left sidebar, add product. A quicker way to do this is if you have the Woocommerce toolbar installed, you simply scroll over it and down to products, add new product. Today we're going to be adding a body glove tactic case. So we will simply type this in the product title, and next we're going to add the description. I'm copying this and pasting the description from another website. So as you can see, when you paste it in, you get another box to form around it. This box looks very unprofessional and very sloppy on your website, so we will try and avoid this. The way to avoid this is to simply take that text, paste it into Microsoft Word, recopy it, and then come over here and insert it through the Microsoft Word tab using Control+V, and then hit insert, and it'll show up on there without the box. Next, onto the product data. We are creating a variable product today, so we will start with the general, and we will come up with an SKU of 23. Next, the tax status. Our items are taxable under the standard tax status, so therefore we don't need to check anything here. Next, on inventory, we want to add manage stock with a 0 stock quantity, and we want to allow back orders at this time. Next is the shipping. For this item, we're going to make it a shipping class 1. iPhone cases in our store are shipping class 1, whereas iPad cases are shipping class 2. This is the difference in shipping prices, 1 being less expensive than 2. Next, for the related products, we want to go ahead and encourage our customers to support the Amicus Young Entrepreneurs Fund, so we will type in a cross-sell of a $1 donation. A cross-sell is something that will appear in the shopping cart at the end in the checkout and will encourage people to purchase this with them, whereas an upsell is something that will appear on a product page and encourage them to spend more money on this product. Next, to the attributes. We will have, as we can see, we're going to update a white and gray and we'll be updating a white and gray and a black and gray, and I do not believe we have those, but we are going to go ahead and color add. So we're going to go ahead and check and make sure we don't have them. White. We do have gray and white, but we don't. But for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to recreate it. So what you're going to come up here and you're going to do is save your item as a draft. Come over here to the left, click attributes, and this will take us to manage the attributes. These attributes can be anything, and right now we have charity and color created, and we're going to go ahead and configure terms, which will allow us to create more and see all of them individual. So we're going to start out creating a black and gray. Type in the name, capitalized, how it would appear on the store. Then for the slug, just type in some phrase that you can remember it by, and then hit add new color. And as you can see, it will appear over here. Next, we're going to hit white, enter white and gray with the same slug, similar to how we did our black and gray, white, gray, and hit add new color. And as you can see, it appears over here. Now you have to go back to our product page, and to do this, you're going to simply click products, the body glove tactic case, which will allow us to come over here and edit it by just clicking on the title. Now as you can see, everything we've done has shown up. So now we come over here to the attributes. We're going to hit add attribute of color. We've got to make sure that this is user variations, and we're going to start typing in, and you can see the ones that we have and type in which ones we want. So now that that's there, we can go ahead and we have to save this as a draft again to make the attributes stick and be able to be used for the variables. Next, if we scroll down and click the variations, this is where we need to be. So we have to add 2 variations because there are 2 different colors. So what we're going to do is for our SKU, we like to add a sub SKU for the color, which is a letter A for the first one and B, and it goes so on for each color option we have. We have 0 items in stock, and we're going to sell this case for about $20. So then you're going to go ahead and just do all this again on the second one. And then we're going to go it's time now to update the picture. You simply click on the picture icon and it will launch the uploading screen. You're going to hit select files. We're going to pick this file because I've already saved them. We're going to hit choose. It'll upload it for us. And now we're going to go ahead and use this image. And now you come over here and you select white and gray, and that will associate it with this one. Now we're going to do this again only for the black and gray, and I'm also going to show you through this one how to make it your featured image. So we're going to go ahead and select files. We're going to select this file. And as you can see, there's the picture, so we're going to hit use as featured image. And when that's done, we're going to hit use as image. Now as you can see, once you select something to be your featured image, it will show up over here on the featured image tab. Now that we have done all this with our variations, it's time to select products. This is an iPhone 5 case, so we're going to select iPhone 5 for our product category. And now we can hit publish. And now we're going to go ahead and view our product to make sure that everything works right. And this will launch us to our product page. And we can choose white. And as you can see, we didn't do something right, so we have to go back and hit edit product. Let's check the variations tab because that's most likely where this problem occurred. As you can see here, nothing was selected there. And we're going to make the white the default color. So we'll go ahead and hit publish update and see if that fixes our issue. This should fix our issues. And yes, it does. And as you can see here are similar cases as well as the product description. Now we have to go back to the product page because I would like to show you how to shorten the URL. This is the permalink where it shows what the URL is out of that specific item. So we like to make them shorter so that it'll speed up the computer. So we're just going to make the permalink amicusproducts.com/shop/BGTC. Then we go ahead and update again. And there we have just created our product. Thank you for viewing this tutorial.